said the monastery is 40 years old.
So lots of snacks, and my brother is in Austria first time. I took herbal tea with flowers and leaves. And these snacks, they're also for free. But if you want, you can also pay something or donate for the monastery. It's very well kept, as you can see. It's very clean, very beautifully kept. Even the surroundings are very, very nice. We entered the country Liechtenstein. When you live in Europe, changing countries is so easy and frequent. This is how we entered Liechtenstein. No passport check, just go across the border. Since the time we have entered Liechtenstein, we have a constant view of Alps everywhere. This country is like dream destination to live and work. There's just now a very big company that went behind. Time to apply for jobs. The roads here are extremely confusing. You never understand which one is one way, two way, or what way is it even. We are going up the castle. That's the city down. I don't know if you can see, but this is the parking. And that is the castle there. And we are walking towards it. This is the Liechtenstein Vaduz castle. Vaduz is the city here, I think. And this is the castle. We are trying to go near it. I don't think you can go inside because it's a private castle. Let's check out if there is a restaurant nearby. Look at that city view. It's lovely with the Alps. And wow, I love medieval castles. This is the only parking we found which was a little free. Otherwise, all the parkings here you have to pay Swiss currency, that is CHF, Swiss francs. And here the parking is maximum 3 hours, and per hour you just have to pay 1.5 Swiss francs. E-ticket is registered. And put this in the car. And now we will go to the city center of Vaduz. Liechtenstein is very small, very, very small. Even in Liechtenstein you have to know German. We went to the castle and the guard there, we tried to talk to him in English, but he said no English, I only speak German. So not just in Germany, but German is useful in all the neighboring countries too. Christmas decoration, Vaduzer Hof. Hof म्हणजे place, असंच center or place. Vaduz is also something in Maharashtra, so this sounds very funny to me. Vaduz. Whee! That's the castle up there, and this is the city center. So the king has everything private here, his private cellar from where wine is sold. I don't know, the jewelry shop we saw, that was also Herzog. So Duke's shop. Everything belongs to king here. Isn't it great? She did not accept card. We have to pay by cash. So we came to withdraw cash in this ATM. Right beside this. This is Swiss currency, Swiss franc 50. ये क्या लिखा?
50 franc, 50 franc.
Oh, this guy is French trained.
नहीं, उसके नंबर डाला हुआ है.
This is blue most and blue wine. He bought the blue wine. How is it?
It's very good.
And this is glue most, so it is cider with wine, I think. Let's try. And this is our view. And this is apple cider. Warm. Taste is very good. Madhu's advent.
Blue wine बहुत सही है. देख blue wine पीना.
And I'm trying the blue wine. Oh my god, it's very fruity and yummy. It's very good. This is strong. Blue wine is better. All the cool watch brands: Bulgari, Chopard, Hublot, Tag Heuer, Tudor, Breitling, Longines, Rado, Tissot. We need more money, more Swiss francs, because we had given our car number. The ticket machine knows that we have to pay more money, so that it's not free anymore. So we got some francs from the Christmas market. We put 3 francs there. Now we can keep the car here for 3 hours, and the Christmas market is right there behind this building. So this is like the best parking spot. The name of this parking place is P Zentrum. I'll show you. P Zentrum, Park House Zentrum City Parking. So if you anytime come here, you want to go to Christmas Park, now is like the best spot. It's just 1 minute, 2 minute walk from the Christmas market here, and perfect place, very cheap, just 3 francs. So today the conversion is 1:1, so 1 Swiss franc is 1 euro, and the machine accepted it. We also took out some Swiss francs, so that was like perfect. And Liechtenstein in general, I liked it. Going back for roller skating. Wine is done, and after roller skating we'll have some food. We just bought the shoes ticket. That's with Rupesh, and we gave our car keys as the deposit for the shoes. And she gave us 2 Swiss chocolates. I'm just excited about the chocolates. He is not trying because he's just scared. So first he will see what we are doing, and then he will try. I will have the Swiss chocolate until then. We just came to a Christmas market here, and the food we found is kottu roti, which is making right now, and it is from Sri Lanka because they're helping people from Sri Lanka there. So this one I just tried. It's extremely spicy. And it's already like 2 hours here, or maybe 3 hours, and we were trying the ice skating, and before we needed a support like that orange one, so we tried that for maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and then me and Rupesh, both of us are now Liechtenstein and Austria. Now we are in Austria. We came from Liechtenstein, and here the Wignet begins.